It's Celebrity Hairstylist Josh Liu here, and I'm going to show you how to create this Barbie ponytail using T3 tools. I'm going to start by using oil for all at the roots. I'm going to smooth out my hair using the T3 AireBrush Duo with the smoothing brush attachment, and I'm going to make sure I am putting it on a 4 out of 5 heat setting for my specific hair type. Section off a triangle bang section, and then loosely tie your hair up using a smoothing brush and an T3 Beauty hair tie, and you're going to go ahead and grab a extreme hold hairspray and spray it around the perimeter of your head to start that sleeking process, and go ahead and start brushing and sleeking it all together. You're going to retie your hair to make sure it's nice and flat. Make sure you pull one of the loops to lock in the base and keep tying. Then go ahead and add a little texturizing spray at the root of your pony and go ahead and blow dry that in using the round brush attachment on your AireBrush Duo, and go ahead and set them and then start teasing at the root, and then you're going to brush it out so that way it has a nice smooth look. I'm going to add another T3 Beauty hair tie to just really prop it up, blow dry the bang, and go ahead and add an exaggerated Barbie flip using the T3 Curl ID 1 1/4 inch barrel iron, and curl your bang away from the face and brush it all out. And there you have your Barbie look.